Hello everyone. Today we will see how to use repeat function in Excel. So let's start. Repeat function repeats the input data into any time that we need. Here, to enable that function, type repeat, then select the text. You can also manually type any text here. So I'm selecting this text to be repeated, and then how many times I want this text to be repeated. You can select any number here, or you can select any cell where the number is given. I'm selecting this. So here we can see A appeared 5 times in a row. Now we can, I'm doing it a different way. Repeat, selecting the, okay, this time we will not select this text, rather we will type, and text should be typed in inverted comma. Then how many times I want? 3 times. Okay, so here you can see I have not selected any cells value, rather I typed. In that case also it will work. Enter. You can see hello, hello, hello. So this is how repeat function works. Here we can apply this repeat function in this example. We can see in first column students name are given. In the second column test score is given. We want to include a specific icon here, so that it can be visibly more convenient. uh, is equal to REPT. Here I will give a certain icon to be repeated, so that icon should be given within inverted comma, and the icon is a pipeline. Okay, if you want a pipeline is given in one of your keys in the keyboard, just shift and press that, you will get that pipeline. Inverted comma close. So I have selected the text to be repeated, then comma, how many times I want this. I'm selecting this cell, that any value within this cell, uh, the pipeline will be repeated to that extent. Closing bracket. You can see pipeline is given here, and how many times? 8 times. Now if I drag this across, this will be the output. So in this way we can use repeat function in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.